Here we are. Something that I've just been nervous about. This is what my hard work has paid off too so far. Minus the amp that goes right there. Imagine there's an amp right there. But you know, love it or hate it kind of deal. Wasn't exactly what I'd been going for. I kind of just winged it. But the real masterpiece part of it is why the amp's sitting up off there on a little platform. And this is my first time seeing this, so we gotta do it right on video. Lights off, dark. Look at that. Ooh. An amp that goes in the middle, it's a Pioneer. It's got a blue light on top of it built in, which I should have wired up, but I'd have to have it completely wired actually in order for it to work right. But it's party. Well, I have to say, I am the man. I am the man. Now I just gotta finish connecting everything. Got the RCAs, speaker wires, all hidden, ran under behind it. All glued in. Got me some good speaker wire. Got me some Sky High car audio. It's good stuff. You wouldn't believe it. I ordered this stuff on a Wednesday night and I got it Friday morning. It took 37 hours. I've never received anything coming from Nevada too. A day and a half. 37 hours from the time that I ordered it to the time it showed up at my door. Sky High car audio. 50 foot of subwoofer wire for under 20 bucks. Compared to Walmart's bullcrap. And that's OFC. That's 14 gauge OFC. Oxygen free copper. Same thing with the power wire that I'm running in the car. I got 2 gauge OFC. Going all out with this stuff here. Just the best. Well, the eBay brand power wire is not the best, but I should have went to Sky High car audio on that because it was only about another $10 more. But yep. Some little locking light there. Yeah, by the time I'm done, the only wire you'll see is just the power and grounds. Everything, the remote wires, I already have a hole drilled under there somewhere, right there, I believe, for the remote wire to go into. Just be nice and clean. Got my bus bars made. I'm painting up little platforms that they mount to, so where you don't see the heads of the bolts. But got me 2 bus bars made. Positive and negative. And then I'm also painting my fuse block that I made. I don't even know where all my fuse stuff is, but yep, she's gonna be decked out. Official demo video. We're gonna start with the trunk here. See what we got going on. Oh yeah, these fuckers are moving around on me. Alright, yep, sorry. Got 2 Alpine Type R old schools. Concealed box. I got all the sides of the trunk. With undercoating, and then got a metal tape, foil tape, or aluminum, yeah, foil tape for sound SPL reasons. Here's what I've been working on for the longest part. Custom amp rack. Finally got it done. All wired up, nice and neat. All the wire on it is all sky high car audio. We got, well, except from the battery, the front battery coming to my little 35 amp hour AGM there. That's 2 gauge. That's just the eBay brand, but it's OFC. It's almost 3,000 strand 10 to OFC, which I should have just went with sky high on that one because it would have been about $10 more. But everything else, all this 4 gauge, the power and the ground, and the speaker wire, the green speaker wire, it's all sky high car audio. It's all OFC. I think I spent like about $150 on wiring altogether. I should have cleaned this up. I ran out of electrical tape, but that's it's my remote wire and my RCA is kind of tucked up in there. But that is, I think I got it pretty neat. Speaker wires go underneath the rack, and so does the RCA's, and then just had the power wire showing. I built these bus bars myself. I got 2 bus bars on both sides. I got a little fuse block that I built over here. It ain't nothing too special. I haven't really found a place to put it yet where it kind of looks right. Just a fuse block. I'm grounded. I got 2 grounds. I got grounds on both sides over here, and linking to that and the battery. So I kind of got all the grounds tied together because I'm not grounding off the front battery. I mean, no reason to run that extra cable. And 2 Power Acoustik 2500s. My other videos, I got a max test out of one, 850 watts or so. I've got my kickers here. They're currently wired at factory 2 ohm setting. They're series parallel 2 ohm. And then the Alpines are wired down to 1 because they're dual 4s. But I got both amps pretty much set exactly the same right now. I haven't had the time to actually, adjust them to the max, but I got them set at a pretty comfortable level. And then, yeah, Power Acoustics. I got this Pioneer PRS 2100, D2100. This is like a mid to high end amp. It's a 300 by 2 channel or 600 by 1 monoblock, because that's the way you want to run it. But it's full range. It's subwoofer. Or I got this range for my door speakers. I still need to put my kicker in over there. I've got this kicker in here already. And then I've got 2 6x9s for the back dash that I haven't put back in yet. But eventually this is going to be a 4th order. Instead of doing away with the 2 boxes and shit, I'd like to have all the same brand, but a 4th order is like it's having a sealed box inside of one giant ported box. So it'd be all 4 subs sealed. They'd be mounted sealed inside of one big box, which would be making a big box inside the trunk there, and then having like a port off in the front or off to the side where you could still see inside there. But the 6th order would be if it had a ported box inside of a ported box. It's kind of how that works, but it all has to do with whether you're going for sound quality, or actually competition SPL, or because bandwidth, you don't want it to peak at just one frequency. That's sometimes if you're just going for SPL, you want to build your box, build like a bandpass box to be just peaking at one certain frequency, and then be really high at that frequency and not be able to listen to anything else, not be very musical. All enough being said, as you can see, I got all of the wire tucked in. I have that 2 gauge running inside the car, all tucked in there, and then I got all the other wires tucked in here underneath the console. Got me voltage gauge wired up, and I still have my LEDs, my under the amp LEDs left to wire up. because right now I just got a brand new USB. I better shut up. I'm getting kind of long-winded. But just plug in a damn portable power supply here. Little portable charger. And because I need to take this to the switch up front. But I got it's not dark right now, but both amps are sitting on, both the Power Acoustiks are sitting on a platform, the oval platform with LEDs going around them, so the light shines out. But yeah. I'll turn it back on again so you can see again. It's starting to get dark, it's starting to get a little bit late, but yeah. But yeah, I bought me a fancy toggle switch that lights up blue, and then I tested it out, and it's pretty crappy. It lights up blue. You know, I paid $5 for the damn thing. I mean, I guess it's not a real lot, but it just got a light on the inside and it barely shines through. Kind of pissed me off a little bit. But alright, I had me some Chris Stapleton going on here, if I can find it again. Here we go.
Testicles sounds like testicles, but it's bigger.
But you rescued me from me. And brought me back. Yeah.
Hit a lot of rattles. Yeah, that one's, I don't know, it almost a little bit too low. We got us some tech. We gotta do some good tech here. Well, there's always, that's a good one. Delusional. Can't beat Delusional. It's like #1, I'd probably say the most popular bass song by Tech.
I'ma drink this hand, I'ma keep this grin. But if you're looking in it closely, I'm trying to contain this beast within. Please begin. I think.
I see my neighbors peeking out the door. I think they're getting pissed off at me. I don't know. Don't want to piss off Mexicans next door. They're pretty nice neighbors. They keep to themselves.